In this video, I am going to show you how to perform daily testnet transaction and claim your daily 10K and 3K hash respectively on your Satoshi Core mining app. First of all, what you need to do is, after you must have added your tCORE in your MetaMask, as you can see it on this page, you perform your daily transaction. Okay, you perform your transaction, then you go to your Satoshi Core mining app and claim your hash. Now, if you don't know how to add tCORE to your MetaMask wallet, then you need to watch the previous video that I uploaded in my channel. I'll do well to drop the link in the description so that you watch it first before watching this. Okay, so if you want to perform the daily transaction, this is my dashboard. First of all, you go and get your tCORE wallet address, that is another person's address, which you are going to send to. Okay, I have an address here with me, saved in my notes. Okay, so I will copy it. You can request, someone can send to you, okay, his wallet address just for testnet, just for test purpose. So I've copied the wallet address. Then what I will need to do is I'll come here and click on send. Okay, this is send. I'll click on send. Okay, then on this box I'm going to paste the wallet address which I copied. Okay, then I'll click on next. Okay, now here I'm going to put the number of tCORE that I want to send. Okay, now it doesn't really matter. What actually the system wants is for you to send out some amount of tCORE from what you already have. Okay, so it doesn't really matter whether you are to send 1, 2, 3. You can send as little as 0.002 or 1, okay, or 3. You can send 1. You understand? Okay, you can send 3, but you shouldn't send more than what the total number of tCORE that you have. Otherwise, it will not. The transaction will not be successful. Okay, in my wallet, I have more than 5. I have 5.5 tCORE. So I can decide to send 1. Let me send 1 for the purpose of this video. Okay. Now I'll click on next. Okay. Okay, now this dashboard is showing me the amount of code that I want to send, okay, and the address I want to send it to. So this is the estimated gas fee, which is charges. So the total now that will go out of my wallet is this. Okay, so what I'll need to do is to click on send. Once I click on send, this one call will be sent to the wallet address of my friend, which I just copied and used for this transaction. So I'll click on send. Okay, you hold on a bit. Now, as you can see here, the transaction has been submitted. Okay, transaction submitted. Now let's wait for it to. Okay, as you can see, the number of code that I have has been reduced by 1. That means I have performed the transaction. Okay, look at it now. Transaction completed. Hope you can see it. Transaction completed. Now let me click on this to see the history, my transaction history. Okay, I'll tap on it. You allow it to load. Okay, now this is the tCORE that I just sent at this time. Look at this time and check this time. Okay, so this is the one tCORE that I just sent. So this is how to send from your wallet to another person's wallet. Now, after some seconds, you now go back to your Satoshi Core mining app. Let me open my Satoshi Core mining app. You click on your mining button as usual. Then, as you can see, I have not claimed today's hash. Sorry. Yeah, I have not claimed today's hash. So, what I will now do is, since I've performed the transaction, I will come here and click on receive hash. Okay, and take note of this. Okay, take note of the value you have here. Okay, because when I click on receive hash, for instance, if you're having like 100, whatever hash that I receive here, it will add up to that value, okay, to increase it. But in this case, it may not appear because mine is counting in tens of, is counting in thousands now, okay. It's already in millions, okay. So I'll click on receive hash. As you can see, successfully received the 3k hash. This is it, successfully received 3k hash. Then I will close it. Okay, now why you didn't see it add up here is simply because I have 1.21 million. Now if I receive hash and it gets up to 10, okay, this one value here, the last figure you see here, will change to 2. Okay, now I'll continue to receive hash again, continue to receive hash. When it gets up to 10, the 2 here will change to 3. So that is how it works, because it's counting in tens and not in units now. Okay, so this is how to perform your daily testnet transaction, after which you come to the mining app and claim your 3k hash. So I believe this has answered the series of questions I've received recently about how to perform daily testnet transactions. So this video has shown it very well. If you have any question, please do well to ask your questions at the comment section. Okay, then I will attend to those questions in my next video. Thank you for being with me to the end of this video. Quickly, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you click on the subscribe button. You click on the notification bell, so that each time I upload videos on my channel, you get notified. Okay, thank you.